Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Deltaco keyboard, especially the Bluetooth ones. So first, don't forget to insert two AAA batteries into the battery compartment because most of these Deltaco Bluetooth keyboards doesn't have batteries pre-installed. Now, power the keyboard on using the side button and then press and hold the FN and C key. So basically after you hold that maybe for 3 seconds, the blue LED will start blinking, indicating the keyboard is now detectable by other Bluetooth devices. Now, on your device, for example, your PC or your tablet, search for Bluetooth devices. You can find the Bluetooth devices on your control panel on your PC or in the settings on your tablet. On your tablet or on your computer, select the Bluetooth device named Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard, and then type in the numeric code that appears on the screen of your device. The blue LED will turn off, indicating successful pairing. For additional information, press and hold the FN key, and then press the iOS, Android, or Windows key, the QWE buttons based on your device's operating system. So basically that's it.